Today we will be doing an AMRAP fitness, as many reps as possible. We're going to start with a warm-up. 10 reps for each exercise. Neck tilts. Neck rotations. Torso rotations. Chest expanders. Side arm raises. Small arm circles. Hip rotations. Hops on the spot. And side-to-side hops. All right, now we will begin our warm-up. Again, as many reps as possible. We're going to do 5 rounds, 1 minute each, followed by 30 seconds rest. Our first rotation is 10 jacks, 5 inchworms, and 10 lunges. Ready? Begin. And stop. How many reps did you get in? How many of those sets? All right, now we have 30 seconds rest. All right, round number 2. Our 3 exercises are 5 burpees, 20 flutter kicks, and 10 Russian twists. Sorry, 20 Russian twists. All right, good job. How many cycles did you get through on that one? With our 30 seconds rest. All right, round 3. 12 mountain climbers, 10 squat jumps, 10 bicycle crunches. How many circuits can you finish? Excellent job. Let's get our 30 seconds rest. All right. Round 4, here we go. 10 skaters, 10 plank jacks, 5 tuck jumps. All right, the end of round 4. Hope you got a few circuits in there. 30 seconds rest. All right, last and final round. Here we go. 20 heel taps, 10 glute bridges, 10 plank up downs. Great job. All right, you guys. Last 30 seconds rest, and then we'll begin our cool down. All right, let's cool down, you guys. Let's cool down. All right, hold each stretch for 30 seconds. So again, we're going to hold each stretch for 30 seconds. You'll hear the timer. We'll begin. Ready, go. Side to side lunges for 30 seconds. Switch sides. All right, plank step-ins. This is a great hip flexor stretch. So just step in there and hold it. We'll switch legs halfway through. Next up is another good hip flexor stretch. It's like a forward lunge. You'll feel it right inside of your hip. Here we go. We'll switch halfway through. All right, our next one, you're in a lunge, but now we're going to kind of work our obliques. So you're stretching to the side. Again, switch sides halfway through. All right, double leg bend stretch. Put both legs out in front of you, reach down there, hold as long as you can. Hamstring stretch with our leg to the inside. This one is for 60 seconds, so at 30 seconds you'll switch legs. Go ahead and switch legs. All right, we're going to stop there. But you guys, you can finish up the stretching if you want. But we're going to stop there for today. Hope you enjoyed the workout.